Hi there and welcome to another Huxley Spatial quick demo. This quick demo is to illustrate how to reopen, keep working with, and add to a model that you have already built and saved in Model Builder. I've already created a multi-element buffer and used the identity tool in this map. To this I would like to add a mean center of all of these nests point data, and then I would like to figure out how far away that mean center is from the nearest creek in this map. So to do that, first thing I want to do is open up my catalog tab. If your catalog tab isn't already open, you can click on this icon up here to open it. So you can see that my already created model output data is here in my nest data folder. You want to make sure that you're saving all of your future data from your model in that folder as well. Next, I want to navigate to my nest toolbox and my nest model. Right click on your model. Go to edit. Open will not open this in a way that you can keep adding to it, so be sure to click edit. Alright, next I'm going to shrink this down and open up my search tab. Again, if this isn't open, you can go up here and click this icon here. I want to go find the mean center tool. I can search for that, and then I can simply click and drag that into my model. Alright, the other tool while I'm here I want to grab is my near tool. Click and drag that as well into my model. So next I want to make this a little bit bigger and easier to work with, and then I'm going to connect my inputs to get my outputs. So I'm going to hit my connect tool, and the first thing I want to do is connect nests to my mean center. It's an input feature class. So now we should be able to get a mean center of those nests, and the output of that will be this mean center output here. Be sure to go to your select tool, double click on the mean center, and be sure this is saving to that earlier nest data folder we talked about, and go ahead and name your file. So I'm going to name this nests mean center. Click save. And you can leave these other fields blank for this first time. Click OK. Alright, next we want to connect that output to our near tool. This will be your input features in this case. To add the rest of the information, go to your select tool and double click near. Your near tool will be whatever you want to figure out is nearest. So that will be this creeks here. This you can save. Now let's hit auto layout in order to make this look a little bit more attractive. There we go. Alright, and just so you're aware, this will actually not have an output, this near tool. This will actually create a field within your mean center output. So keep that in mind. Do not panic if you don't have two things appear in your folder. Alright, let's save that model and run it. Alright, looks like it all ran. You should see a window like this pop up. It should be all run through. If you see any red or it says something was uncompleted, be sure to check that out and try and troubleshoot it. Alright, let's go ahead and close that up. Go ahead and save it as well. Alright, now let's open up our catalog and go back to our data folder. You can see here nest mean center pops up. We can click and drag that into our map and then open up our attribute table. As you can see here, we now know where the point is, and we now know the near distance field here says that it is 144 meters away from the nearest creek. Alright, so that's how you reopen and keep working with your model in Model Builder.